Mason accused of raping 6-year-old girl in St. Anne. Businessman shot dead at St. Anne's Bay home, firearm stolen. Construction worker accused of attacking shopkeeper with firearm. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. The Center for Investigation of Sexual Offenses and Child Abuse is advising parents to keep an eye on workmen in their homes following the rape of a 6-year-old girl in St. Anne. 51-year-old Clive Green has been charged with 2 counts of rape and 2 counts of grievous sexual assault after he allegedly assaulted the child in a St. Anne community on separate occasions this year. Green is a Mason of Hamilton Mountain, St. Mary. It is reported that Green was hired for work at the child's home when he allegedly sexually assaulted and raped her on 2 separate occasions. A report was made to the police, and Green was subsequently arrested and charged. His court date is being arranged. A businessman was shot dead and his licensed firearm reportedly stolen by his attackers at his home in St. Anne's Bay, St. Anne on Sunday. The deceased is 41-year-old Andrew Dawkins, who operated Big Food and Grill restaurant on Main Street in St. Anne's Bay. Reports are that shortly before 1 a.m. on Sunday, Dawkins arrived home and was let inside by his wife. Shortly after, he went to the back of the home to check on his livestock, and gunshots were later heard. The police were alerted, and on their arrival, Dawkins' body was found with gunshot wounds to the upper body. Further checks by the police revealed that the businessman's licensed 9mm Glock pistol had been stolen by his attackers. The police are probing the development. A construction worker has been charged with breaches of the Firearms Prohibition, Restriction and Regulation Act following an incident in Pimento Walk, Ocho Rios, St. Anne on Saturday, June 17. Charged with shooting with intent, unauthorized possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and using a prohibited weapon to commit a felony is 30-year-old Roshane Allen, otherwise called Coco, of Russell Hall in Parrytown, St. Anne. Reports from the St. Anne's Bay Police are that about 9:45 p.m., a male shopkeeper was at his business establishment when Allen allegedly brandished a firearm and opened gunfire at him. The man managed to escape injuries and reported the incident to the police. Allen was arrested during a subsequent operation and charged. His court date is being arranged.